One of the interesting things about working on a program like this is that you get a chance to read the letters that come in from you listeners. And when a new person comes onto the show and the letters begin to pour in, it's a real thrill. We've had this kind of thrill here on the Good News Show lately, reading the letters you've all written to us about the star of the Great Waltz, Miliza Korjus. You like her. In fact, you seem to be crazy about her. And we are, too, so that makes it unanimous. It's a pleasure to have her with us again this evening. And I know you'll enjoy the song she's going to present now. It was written by the great Russian composer, Rimsky-Korsakov, and it's called The Rose Hath Charmed the Nightingale. Miss Korjus.